Out of the blue she calls me. And now she's here.
Are you going to be okay, Kevin?
I think so, Candace. Prepare dinner. Thank you, Candace. That will be all.
Enjoy.
You didn't tell me you were bringing company, Betsy. Not that I mind.
I'm sorry. This is Peter and Amanda.
Pleasure to meet you. Nice place you got here.
Do you own it?
Afraid not. Just caretaking. Good burgers, anyway.
Agreed. I hope you pay the Telpa good money, Kevin.
Well, it's none of your business, so shut the fuck up.
What was that?
Betsy and I have things to discuss. Candace will show you two to your room. No, hold on. Did you just tell her to shut the fuck up? You're hearing things. P-boy.
I kind of just need a couple $1,000. The loan sharks are closing in. And I remember you said you'd help me.
Of course, Betsy. Silly me. Thought we'd get back together. I mean, we broke up. That's it. That's all, right? How could I have been so stupid?
Don't be a cokehead. That's why I broke up with you in the first place. This is your room, Betsy. Anything you need, just ring. It's what I'm here for. What's this? A cuddle toy. How much do you think it's worth? His name is Jester. And he's not for sale. Brilliant craftsmanship. Made by an old puppet master named Andre Toulon a few decades ago. It's really Kevin's thing nowadays. He always was a weird one. I'd better go now. Sleep well, Betsy.
Read my mind, Candace.
Betsy and her friends are here for money. She doesn't care for you anymore.
Maybe she never did. Wanna go again? I know I do. We could try the bubbly fizz or the tab cracker.
No thanks, Peter. Drink yourself up. I'm going for a walk. I need to clear my aluminum.
Why don't I join you?
No. I'd like to be alone for a bit. If that's okay.
Whatever.
Can I help you, Amanda? Don't trouble yourself. Just taking a look around the hotel. If you'd like a tour, just leave me alone, you could have cunt. Oh dear.
Huh? Playing games, Amanda, are we? Huh? Oh! What the? Oh! This isn't possible! Ow! You little... You can't be alive!
Betsy, where are you? I must be lucid dreaming. It really does hurt, you little bastard. I like a doll with style. Maybe you can be my pet or something. What do you say? Sound like fun, does it?
Actually, that was the work of my puppets here. See, Andre Toulon was a great puppet master in the 1940s. Then he discovered the secret to animating his puppets, no strings attached. Now I have the power. Now I am the puppet master.
You psychotic piece of shit. I'll get you for this. But seriously, can I have a couple $1,000? Those pesky loan sharks are after me. Some ointment would be nice.
You know what would be nicer is if you came back to me like the old times. Oh. Oh, 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 Time has come to turn the dead into my willing puppets. No longer will I use these pathetic little toys. And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Do you even lift, bro?
I beg your pardon, Candace?
Get good, bro.
That's enough out of you. And enough of these toys. Pathetic little things. Since you're here, why don't you help me inject these... What's that? Oh, no! Girl, get off me! Yo, stop it! No! Oh, no, get with me! Pinhead, you pinhead freak! Oh, gentlemen, no! Oh, Miss Leach, Blade, no!